Introducing the New Jersey Economic Development Authority Micro Business Loan Program. This video will take you through the items you will need after your application has been reviewed. You may have already provided some of these items when you applied. First, make sure you have your organization's legal registered name. If you're not sure what that is, go to the link listed here. Also, you must be registered to do business in the state of New Jersey. Next, you must have your formation documents. If you've never filed them, go to the link shown to file them. If you have filed your formation documents but need to print them, go to the link shown to print. Here is an example of what a formation document looks like. Next, you must have your most recent NJWR 30 filing with the New Jersey Department of Labor. In addition, your business should have no more than 10 full-time employees at the time you file the application. If you use a third-party company for your payroll, such as ADP or Paychex, contact them right away to get a copy of this form. Make sure you have 3 consecutive years of tax returns. If you have not filed 2019 just yet and you received an extension, then provide a copy of the extension as proof and submit 2016, 2017, and 2018 tax returns. However, 2019 tax returns must be filed in order to close your loan. If you have not been in business for 3 years, provide as many years as you have been in operation for and filed. For anyone that owns 10% or more of the company, we need your name, personal address, and social security number. Next, we will need a personal financial statement and 3 consecutive years of personal tax returns. Have you applied for any other assistance such as the SBA PPP, SBA Economic Injury Disaster Grant, SBA Economic Injury Disaster Loan, NJEDA Small Business Emergency Assistance Loan, NJEDA Small Business Emergency Grant Assistance, or other federal, state, or local assistance? If you answered yes to any of these, be prepared to answer if you were approved, the dollar amount you were approved for, what the money will be used for, and the date you were approved. Provide a schedule of debt. A link to the form will be provided at the end of this video. If you are a home-based business, your business must have been in existence for at least 2 years prior to the date of your application in order to be eligible. Please note your residential expenses such as rent, mortgage, taxes, and utilities are not eligible as working capital expenses. If you are a 501c nonprofit organization, your organization must have been in existence for at least 2 years prior to the date of your application in order to be eligible. You must provide your nonprofit determination letter from the IRS. If you do not file a tax return, then you must provide your last 3 years of CPA-prepared financial statements. No personal guarantees, nor personal tax or financial statements are required. If you are a startup business, you will need financial projections for 5 years and a business plan. A template for both of these will be available at the end of the video. To be clear, a startup business is a business in existence for 6 to 12 months prior to the date of the application. You will need documentation supporting what the loan will be used for. If the loan is being used for equipment, you will need estimates or invoices. If the loan is for working capital expenses, you will need to provide bills, invoices, and proof to validate those costs identified in your loan application. For example, for payroll, provide payroll reports or a ledger. For rent, provide a current lease. For utilities, provide the most recent bill. For more detailed information, visit www.njeda.com/microbusiness loan.